Assalamualaikum. I, Cadet Saad, currently studying in class 9, Garrison Cadet College Kohat. I studied from Highbrows Forces Academy, and by the grace of Allah, I passed the written test of PAF College Sargodha, PAF College Lower Topa, Garrison Cadet College Kohat, Rangers Cadet College Chakri, Wabda Cadet College Tarbela, and Cadet College Swat. Honestly, I would like to donate all my achievements to Highbrows Forces Academy, which helped me in my subjects. The teachers at Highbrows Forces Academy provided me a proper guidance, and they were very helpful, and they were enthusiastic about me passing the written test and being finally selected in the cadet colleges. I would like to recommend Highbrows Forces School to all the other students who are willing to join cadet colleges, especially under the guidance of Sir Imran and Sir Wahid. I was able to finally join Garrison Cadet College Kohat, and today, by the grace of Allah, I am now studying in Garrison Cadet College Kohat. I would like to thank all the teachers at Highbrows Forces School, and it has really been an amazing experience, and I am glad to say that it is one of the prestigious institutes of the country.